Today, we're diving into the top 3 best air fryers of 2025. We'll break down their features, performance, and what kind of cooks they're best suited for. So if you're thinking about upgrading your kitchen game with a new air fryer, stick around. We'll help you figure out which one of these awesome kitchen gadgets deserves a spot on your countertop. From crispy fries and juicy chicken wings to perfectly roasted veggies, we'll explore the delicious possibilities that these air fryers offer. As always, you'll find the links to each item in the description below. Let's get started. First up, we have the Cosori Air Fryer Turbo Blaze. This air fryer is designed for those who value speed and efficiency in their kitchen appliances. This thing is like the sports car of air fryers. Just like a high-performance vehicle, it's built to deliver top-notch results in record time. It's all about speed and performance. Whether you're in a rush to get dinner on the table or just want to enjoy your favorite fried foods without the wait, this air fryer has got you covered. Cosori claims this model cooks up to 30% faster than their previous models. And from my testing, I gotta say they're not exaggerating. The Turbo Blaze technology really makes a difference, cutting down cooking time significantly. The Turbo Blaze comes with a sleek, modern design that looks super premium. This air fryer will look great on any kitchen counter. It's got this really intuitive touchscreen interface that's super responsive. The touchscreen is easy to navigate, making it simple to select the perfect settings for whatever you're cooking. You can easily swipe through the different presets, adjust the temperature, and set the timer. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll have no trouble using it. Speaking of presets, this thing has a ton of them. Everything from fries and chicken to fish and even cake. Whether you're craving something savory or sweet, the Turbo Blaze has a preset for it. But the real star of the show is the Turbo Blaze technology. This innovative feature sets it apart from other air fryers on the market. It uses a combination of high-speed air circulation and a powerful heating element to cook your food incredibly fast and evenly. The high-speed air circulation ensures that heat is distributed evenly, so your food cooks perfectly every time. And let me tell you, the results are impressive. The Turbo Blaze technology ensures that your food comes out crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. I'm talking restaurant-quality food. You'll be amazed at how delicious your meals turn out. One of the things I love about this air fryer is its large capacity. It's perfect for families or anyone who likes to cook in bulk. It can easily fit a whole chicken or enough fries for the whole family. No more cooking in batches, you can prepare everything in one go. So if you're someone who loves to meal prep or cook for a crowd, this is definitely the air fryer for you. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to save time in the kitchen. Now in terms of energy efficiency, the Cosori Turbo Blaze is a winner. It's designed to be eco-friendly and cost-effective. It uses significantly less energy than a traditional oven, which is great for both the environment and your wallet. You'll notice a difference in your energy bills. Plus, it heats up super fast, so you're not wasting energy preheating. This means you can start cooking almost immediately, saving you even more time. Of course, no product is perfect. There are a few things to consider before making your purchase. The main drawback of the Cosori Turbo Blaze is its size. It's a pretty big unit, so you'll need to make sure you have enough counter space for it. If you have a smaller kitchen, this could be a potential issue. However, if you can accommodate it, the benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience. Overall, the Cosori Air Fryer Turbo Blaze is a beast of an air fryer that delivers exceptional performance and convenience. It's perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy delicious, healthy meals without the wait. Its rapid cooking technology, large capacity, and user-friendly interface make it a top contender in the air fryer game. If you're in the market for a new air fryer, the Cosori Turbo Blaze should definitely be on your list. Next up, we have the Typherdome air fryer, and this one is super interesting. This is like the futuristic, spaceship-looking air fryer on the market. It's got this unique dome shape that immediately catches your eye. But don't let its unconventional design fool you. This thing is packed with features. The Typherdome is all about even cooking. The dome shape actually creates a vortex of hot air that circulates around your food, ensuring that every single piece is cooked to perfection. No more unevenly cooked fries or chicken wings. And the best part? You don't have to preheat this thing. Just pop your food in, select the cooking mode, and you're good to go. It's that simple. Plus, it comes with multiple cooking modes for everything from air frying and roasting to baking and even dehydrating. One of the things I really appreciate about the Typherdome is its compact size. It takes up way less counter space than the Cosori, which is a huge plus if you have a smaller kitchen. It's also super lightweight and easy to move around. Now, when it comes to cleaning, the Typherdome is a breeze. The non-stick basket and tray are both dishwasher safe, and the smooth interior makes wiping down any spills super easy. However, the smaller size does come with one trade-off: a smaller cooking capacity. It's definitely more suited for individuals or smaller families. If you're someone who regularly cooks for a large group, you might want to consider a larger option. Overall, the FabulousPicks air fryer is a great option for anyone looking for a compact, efficient, and stylish air fryer. Its unique dome shape, even cooking capabilities, and ease of use make it a solid choice for everyday cooking. The control panel is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to operate, even if you're not tech-savvy. Whether you're cooking vegetables, meats, or even desserts, the FabulousPicks handles it all with ease. It's perfect for quick snacks or full meals, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Its sleek design also means it fits seamlessly into any modern kitchen decor. And because it's so quiet, you can even use it late at night without disturbing anyone. Plus, it's energy efficient, so you can feel good about using it regularly without worrying about your electricity bill. The user manual is straightforward and easy to understand, so you can get started right away. And with a solid warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. So, if you're in the market for a new air fryer, the FabulousPicks is definitely worth considering. Small but mighty, it truly lives up to its name. Finally, we have the Ninja Foodi Flex Drawer, and this one is for the multitaskers out there. If you find yourself juggling multiple dishes and wish you had an extra pair of hands in the kitchen, this air fryer is designed to be your ultimate cooking companion. It's all about versatility and giving you ultimate control over your cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, the Flex Drawer adapts to your needs, making meal prep a breeze. It's basically two air fryers in one. Imagine the convenience of having two separate cooking zones that can operate independently, allowing you to prepare different dishes simultaneously without any flavor crossover. The standout feature of the Flex Drawer is its dual-zone technology. This innovative design means you can cook two different foods at different temperatures and times, all within the same appliance. It has two separate cooking baskets that you can control independently. This is perfect for those busy weeknights when you need to get dinner on the table quickly and efficiently. So you can air fry some chicken wings in one basket and roast some veggies in the other, all at the same time. No more waiting for one dish to finish before starting another. And it gets even better. The Flex Drawer is designed to make your cooking experience as seamless as possible. The Flex Drawer also features Ninja's Smart Finish technology. This smart feature ensures that both dishes finish cooking at the same time, so everything is hot and ready to serve together. This means you can set different cooking times for each basket, and the air fryer will automatically sync them up so that both dishes finish cooking at the same time. But wait, there's more. This feature is a game changer for anyone who loves to entertain or has a busy household. The Ninja Foodi Flex Drawer also comes with a bunch of other cooking functions, including air broil, bake, roast, reheat, dehydrate, and even keep warm. It's like having a whole suite of kitchen appliances in one compact machine. Now let's talk capacity. The versatility of this air fryer means you can experiment with a variety of cooking techniques, all with the touch of a button. The Flex Drawer has a massive 8-quart total capacity, which is more than enough for most families. Whether you're cooking for a small family dinner or a large gathering, this air fryer has you covered. Plus, the two separate baskets make it super convenient to cook multiple dishes at once. You can prepare a full meal in one go, saving you time and effort. The Ninja Foodi Flex Drawer is the most complex air fryer to use in this list, with all its different functions and settings. But once you get the hang of it, you'll find that it's an invaluable addition to your kitchen. The learning curve might be steep, but the results are well worth it. The user manual is comprehensive, and there are plenty of online resources to help you master this powerful appliance. Overall, the Ninja Foodi Flex Drawer is an incredibly versatile and powerful air fryer that's perfect for anyone who loves to cook and entertain. Its ability to handle multiple dishes at once makes it a true multitasking master. Its dual-zone technology, smart finish feature, and multiple cooking functions make it a true kitchen workhorse. If you're looking for an air fryer that can do it all, the Ninja Foodi Flex Drawer is definitely worth considering. And there you have it, the top 3 best air fryers of 2025. We've got the Speed Demon Kosori Turbo Blaze, the small but mighty FabulousPicks, and the multitasking master Ninja Foodi Flex Drawer. Each one brings its own unique strengths to the table. Ultimately, the best air fryer for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider your budget, cooking habits, and household size when making your decision. No matter which one you choose, I'm confident you'll be happy with your purchase. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. See you in the next video.